Okay, so the first thing we're doing is getting rid of the excess paper to the side. So the heat press is already hot, heated to 350 degrees, and we're going to clean the tumbler. Okay, so we're using alcohol and a napkin to clean the surface of the tumbler. Once that's done, it's dry, removing all residue. Alright, so the photo is printed in reverse, so when you apply it, this is how it should sit. Oops. So we're adding this to the tumbler now. Just making sure that it's aligned properly. And then we need to tape this on. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab some tape so I have them ready to go. So probably need like 4 pieces of tape. So that's 1. I lost the end of the tape. I don't have to use so much, but I want to make sure that it's secure because we don't want to misprint. It's not like we can have a do-over with this one. So we're grabbing the design again and we're adding it to the tumbler. And to make sure that it's tightly wrapped. And you add your heat tape to secure it. All right. I want to make sure that we're not overlapping too much on the design. Good. All right, so design is on. Make sure that it's straight. All right, so now I need to get my gloves on. You do not operate this machine without the gloves. So gloves are on, and we're gonna place it inside, and I am going to press. So I did the adjustments of the machine already, so I'm just gonna hold it for 90 seconds. That's the time frame that we should do the first press on, and then we'll do 30 seconds when we rotate in a few. So this here should come all the way down, so I may need to adjust this a little bit more so that it locks in. and adjustments are done from here. And make sure you're always wearing your gloves when you're adjusting. So there we have it, it's locked, and the timer will go off at 90 seconds. Just give it a little bit more. There we go. That means it's time to rotate. Always wear your gloves, so I'm going to rotate it all the way around. And then we're going for another 30 seconds. So we're not going to wait on the timer this time around because it's set to 90. I would have to go back in and change the settings in here. So I'm just giving it just a few. And all right. So this is pretty hot. So we're going to turn it off. And we want to sit this aside so that it can cool because it's very, very hot. All right, and then we'll be back. Okay, so this is now cooled, and we're just going to remove the tape. So I'm just carefully removing the tape so I don't damage anything. Okay, so this is the finished product. Oh my god, this is really, really nice. This is really nice. Nicely done. So this is something that I can just use. So it seems like it's residue from the paper, but once I'm gonna show you. You just need to grab your alcohol and your napkin. And you're just going to just add a little alcohol to your napkin, not too much, and we're just going to remove the residue. Okay, so this is the finished product. Nice vibrant color, amazing. Okay, so hope this video was helpful, and let me know in the comments if you are planning to do some sublimation tumblers.